very first question that will arrive in your mind will be, how is this mask going to help your skin? Just mixing two ingredients together and applying. Does that make any sense? Yes, obviously. Now, here I will be sharing some benefits of both these ingredients which will make you use this mask. So, the very first benefit of both these ingredients is it will hydrate your skin. Secondly, it is going to clear your acne, and this works as a gentle cleansing agent. It is going to dry out your pimples, reduce all the redness and irritation on your skin. And also, it will help to brighten your skin and also even out your skin tone that is caused due to sun damage and helps reducing scarring. After 10 to 15 minutes, wash your face with normal